Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Megan here. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys. It has been highly requested from all of you for me to do a hair tutorial, especially a high pony hair tutorial, and now I'm finally doing it for you guys. For today's video, I decided to do an Ariana Grande inspired hair tutorial. This is almost her everyday hair look. It's always in a high pony. Sometimes her bangs are down, sometimes they're up. It's super easy. If you don't want bangs, you can just do that. And pause. Before we get to this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also follow me on all my social media. It's going to be linked right here and linked down below, so be sure to check those out. Alright, so without further ado, if you want to know how to get this hairstyle inspired by Ariana Grande, keep on watching. Let's get to it. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be taking out my original ponytail, and I'm going to be starting fresh by brushing my hair out and getting out all the knots. Then I'm going to be separating my bangs from the ponytail. And I'm going to be using my teasing brush. The teasing brush really helps slick back the hair much better than a regular brush. So I definitely recommend using a teasing brush more than a regular brush. Then I'm going to be using my hair tie, but I'm not going to be using just one hair tie. I am going to be using 2 hair ties, mainly because it makes the ponytail stronger and higher. Then I'm going to be moving on to my ponytail hair extension, which I got from Zala Hair Extensions. And this ponytail extension does have a little comb, so I'm going to be sticking that inside my ponytail holder. And then that separate hair, I'm going to be wrapping around the whole entire ponytail until there's no more hair left. Then I'm going to be using about 2 bobby pins. I'm going to be crisscrossing them because it does make the hair stay in place better. Then actually I'm going to be using a couple of my hair extension clips, but I'm going to be clipping them inside the ponytail just to make it more thicker because Ariana does have a very thick ponytail. And that's it for the clip-in extensions. Now I'm going to be moving on to my bangs. This is a totally optional step for you guys. You guys definitely don't have to straighten your bangs. But me personally, I did not like the way they were looking, so I did straighten them. Next, I am going to be using gel for my hair. It looks really gross. The brand name is Gorilla Snot. I know it sounds nasty, but it works wonders. And I actually heard in an article that one of Ariana Grande's hairstylists does use this gel. And I'm going to be putting this gel all over my head with a teasing brush. And that is it for the final look of the hairstyle. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. And comment down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want another hair tutorial, if you guys want a makeup tutorial, I am down for everything. I love getting requests from you guys, just like this one video. This one was very highly requested, and I had so much fun filming it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. I hope it was as simple as I tried to make it. I'm very bad at explaining things, so I hope I did okay enough for you guys to be able to do it. I really enjoyed this look because it's so healthy actually for my hair, because normally I put so much heat to my hair, I put so much clip-in extensions to my hair, but with this one, you really just have to clip it to your ponytail at the top, and that's it. You don't even have to straighten your real hair because your ponytail holder is surrounding it. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Comment down below if you want to see another hair tutorial, if you want to see another makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!
Yeah, breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos don't like getting in trouble.